Hey everybody, so these are two vintage patterns that I got a while ago. This is a Vogue pattern, it's a 2460, and this is a Simplicity 9825. So this one is a combo of wedding dresses and bridesmaid dresses along with this one too. So the one to the far left is like a Juliet sleeved wedding dress, and then these are your two bridesmaids. And I went ahead and did these two. I did two of these dresses, but the only difference is that I cut them a lot shorter. All of these dresses are very long, you know, they're wedding dresses, but I cut this above knee length. So I'm going to show you what this one looks like. I made a flower girl dress, dude, a bridesmaid dress, and I made a wedding dress. And they're both basically this pattern here, but again, very, very short and very simple. So I'm going to show you the flower girl dress and how that turned out. Okay, again, just to recap, this is the bridesmaid dress. I made this one very, very short, and this is the fabric that I made it with. This pattern is from the 1970s, so I really wanted to stick with that vibe, so I chose this two-way slight stretch fabric. Okay, are you ready? Yeah. So this is like an empire waist dress. It's got you know, your darts in the front, and it's got your puff sleeves. I just did an elastic encasement here, so that was really simple. And it's pretty short. Like I said, it's above the knee. It's very above the knee. I'll show you the back. So this is a very 70s, 60s vibe dress. The back of the dress does have two back darts, and then I got a repurposed zipper for the back. And because it was a little too short and I missed, so I closed it up with a button eye, with a vintage Lucite button. So this is the bridesmaid dress that I made. It's a sample. It's basically a summer dress. I don't know if you could classify this really as a bridesmaid's dress, but I think it's really cool, and I put it on the mannequin so you can check it out and see what it really looks like. So coming back to the pattern, I made the wedding dress with the square neck line and the two darts in the front. And I'm going to tell you right now, doing the two darts in the front totally sucked. It's kind of complicated because they're very small. So I made this version of the dress, but again, short, very short, above the knee. So I'll show you how that turned out, and also the materials I used. So for the wedding dress, I used a taffeta fabric. This is a two-way stretch taffeta, and it's basically, you can use either side. It's kind of shimmery, but it's very thin and very see-through, so you really need to make sure you use a liner and something to make sure, if you want it stiff, that you build it up. So that's what we're working with. And here's the wedding dress. Like I said, it's very shimmery, and it's very, it's stiff but translucent. So here are the two darts for the bust, and then for the puff sleeves, I used this really cute lace trim with a zigzag stitch. And again, you have to line this, so I used some like thin cotton lining for the lining of the dress. It also has a belt, and this belt is really cute because it really fits your waistline really nicely. And then underneath, you have your slip with your lace trim. And actually, this is removable. Yes, the slip is removable. It has an elastic waistband that you wear right under your bust area. And I measured this out to fit me, you know, precisely. So if you look at it, it looks like a little skirt. But again, I'm a short little shit. So it fits me right underneath my bust, right above my knee. And this goes underneath the dress. Isn't that like super cute? I hand cut that out too and lined it. And you can see it underneath the dress, and it's really cute. It gives a little slight effect, but of course you don't want it to show completely. But let me show you the mannequin so you can see how it looks. Hey, thanks so much for joining me. Subscribe or don't. I just do my thing here. This is a bridal series I'm trying to start where we just make simple bridal dresses for moments where you just gotta get married right away, I guess. Same thing with prom dresses. So just chill out. I'll have some more videos coming soon, and thank you so much for joining us.